Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what we can do is look at the status bar in the bottom right corner where you see here this head, robot head. So this is the GitHub Copilot icon. If you hover over, you will see here that this small window will appear. And right here, you can see your credits, inline suggestion and inline suggestions, some checkboxes, and so on. So what you can do to disable it, you can just uncheck all of these boxes. So just like that, and you basically disabled the Copilot right now. Okay, so the next thing what you can do is we can go here at the left corner of this menu to the extension and then select here GitHub Copilot Chat. So the same as you would install this GitHub Copilot. Now you will see it right here that you have an option disable AI features. So if you click here, you can disable AI features or you can disable AI features workspace. So you can choose one of these two. And yeah, this is pretty much it how you can disable GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.